Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to log into your Yahoo Mail account and see the error too many failed attempts, don't worry, it's fixable. In this quick guide, I will walk you through step by step how to solve it. The first of all, you have to understand this error appears when Yahoo temporarily locks your account after several wrong password tries. It's a security measure to protect your account from hacking. Usually, the lock lasts for 12 hours, but you can try a few things to speed up access. Wait or use account recovery. If you remember your password, simply wait a few hours and try again later. But if you are unuser or forget your password, first you go to login.yahoo.com, then click forget password and follow the prompts to reset it using your recovery email or phone number. So first, clean your browser and cache. Here you can see, then go to the delete and browser data. Here you can see this, the browsing history, download history, cookies and cache. Delete. Then try to log in again. If the error still appears, try using another browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc., or log in from your phone using the Yahoo Mail app. Then contact Yahoo supports. Here you can see this, and if none of this work and it's been more than 12 hours, visit help.yahoo.com and use the contact us option, explain the issues, and they can verify your identify and unlock your account. And that's it. Be sure to enter your password carefully next time to avoid this error, and always keep your recovery information update. Hope you are enjoying this video and don't forget to subscribe the channels.